Okay, let's go ahead and do a warm-up on our actual quiz that we're going to be doing, the work you're going to be doing. So let's do number one. I'm going to do two different problems. One will be a graphing problem, and one will be an equation problem. So let's go ahead and do an equation problem first. And I'm going to kick it up a notch and see if you can handle that. So go ahead and try that one first for me. Okay, so for this one, I have two problems here I want you to go over. The first one here, I want you to make sure you understand. We know what to do. This is old stuff. We're distributing, and then we're going to go letters to the left. We're subtracting 4x. Okay. From here, we subtract 8. Negative 2x equals 2. All right, we're going to divide negative 2. X equals negative 1. All right, that was a little challenging, but you can do that. All right, the next one, we have to graph. So when we're graphing this, I want you, with graph paper, draw a graph. I know, crazy idea. Let's draw a graph on graph paper. And let's go ahead and graph this. First step, positive 3. Second step, negative 1 over 2. Down 1 over 2. Down 1 over 2. Down 1 over 2. You want to keep the pattern going? Let's go. All right. Second one, negative 2. Up 2 over 1. Up 2 over 1. All right, you get an idea. Where did they touch? That's your answer, where they touch. Okay, so they touch at 2, 2. And that's your answer. Okay? All right, let me show you a couple other. I'm actually going to show you the quiz right now. And that's our bell this morning. I'm finishing this video right away in the morning. Let me see if I can pull this up real quick. I think it was here. So if I was to preview the assessment, cool. Let me go ahead and move this and preview. I'm taking a look at the test you're going to be taking. 12 questions, but this is a little interesting. So you can go control plus or control minus. Control plus or minus will make it bigger or larger. Now, not too tough at all. Multiple choice. Number 2, not too tough at all. Multiple choice. All right. Number 3, multiple choice. Okay, look at your answers. Number 4, multiple choice. Now, we've gotten to number 5. What is wrong with the student work below? Explain all of your thinking in your answer box. What is wrong with the answer below? So look what I've given you. Question 5. You have to type in here, okay? Let's see. I don't think my formatting is a little slower, but yeah, you can type in that box, whatever you need to. When you're looking at this, there's a mistake in this work. So you have to look through all the work. And what I would do, honestly, is I would write the question out and maybe solve it, or just start solving it in my head. So look at this one. 5 times x, 5 times negative 6. That's good. Plus 8 minus 2x. Okay, this is a tough question. If you want to keep going through it, just go through the whole thing to see if you can find the error. I'm giving 2 points per these questions. So if you give me a decent answer and maybe it's not exactly correct, I'll give you 1 point out of 2. So don't skip this. Give me your thinking. Number 6, multiple choice. Number 7, just type the answer. Number 8, multiple choice, solve the equation. Number 9, just solve the system. Now look what it says, solve the system by graphing. What did we do in our warm-up? Remember, we graphed it. You're going to do that, just like number 2 in our warm-up. Number 10, multiple choice. 11, graph it, solve it by graphing. And 12, one more like this, okay? And ignore this letter E, that shouldn't be there. Try to give me in 12, again, we have a box here for you to fill out, okay? Do the best you can, all right? I want to see some work. Explain as much as you can.